This is Feast or Fired. As we just saw, Rockstar Spud will have a shot at the X Division Championship, and Magnus will have a shot at the World Tag Team Championships. 2 cases left to go. One of them will be a World Heavyweight title shot, and the other one will be a pink slip. Austin Aries, how are you feeling?
As cool as the other side of the pillow, Christy.
Robbie.
How do you think I'm feeling, Chrissy? How do you think I'm feeling? I feel like the stupidest person ever for grabbing this stupid suitcase. I'm not stupid. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I didn't grab this suitcase. I didn't retrieve this suitcase. I'm not stupid. I'm the smartest wrestler that's ever lived. Because you grabbed this suitcase, Velvet. You grabbed it.
You.
Look at the footage. You grabbed it. See? I told you.
You told me to.
You grabbed that. I did it. You get in that chair. This is yours. I did it. You open it.
It was your
I'm so smart. Open it. Open it.
Crazy.
I didn't. Oh my God.
It's your match.
I knew it. I'm so smart. I'm so smart. Open it. Just open it.
This is crazy.
You grabbed it. I'm in such a great mood. Oh my God. You're fired! You're fired! You're fired! You're fired! You're fired! You're fired! F-I-R! You're fired! You're fired! I'll remember this moment forever. Let's take a picture. Smile. You're fired! Whoa! You're fired! She's fired! I'm so smart! You're fired! I make the big bucks for a reason! Whoa! I still have a job! Fired! Fired! Yeah. Well, I mean, you know, she'll find another guy. I mean, Brooke already made me lose the Amazing Race. I wasn't gonna have Velvet make me lose my job here in TNA Wrestling, bro. I still have a job! I worked it! Yes!
Oh my God, I'm so sorry, Velvet.
I'm still